Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm gonna clarify two things about this 0S that were incorrect in my video. First of all, this is not the 2022 model, it's still the 2021. I will have the 2022 soon, and I know there is one big difference. Basically the dashboard, it will be TFT or colorful dashboard, and I really hope that the lights will now be LED instead of this halogen standard lights. Those are the things that I hope, but maybe end of March, beginning of April, I will have that motorcycle with me, the 22 model. Another thing, the range. I said it would take around 3 to 4 days. Actually, it's taking me 2 days to drain the battery, because yesterday I did my normal commute, Lisbon to home, and I drained 25% of the battery, which means if I do my commute home work, which I have to go to work and I have to come home, I will drain 50% in one day and another 50% on the other, and then I will have to leave it charging over the night so I can take the motorcycle again the next day. So basically 2 days, it's what I can do. I can improve that if I do ride in eco mode, but trust me, I'm not a fan of eco mode. If I have a motorcycle like this, it's a sport mode all the way, because it's where the fun is. It's in this beautiful torque, and we want to enjoy it as maximum as we can. And these are the only things I wanted to say. I hope that you like this little addment to my review. Don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for a motorcycle, link down in the description. And also, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!